Today I want us to look at Snap. Snap is been in the news because the stock price has dropped around 10%. It's trading around $9.50 or so, which is 52 weeks low. Snap announced that it will be laying over the stock is down. However, it is part of improving their services, improving their revenue model. Snap main revenue comes through advertisement, and advertisement business is down all over the world due to several reasons. But for Snap is an application that has to ride on other platforms. It has to ride on either your mobile phone, either you're on iOS or you're on Android. But these days, you have Apple privacy issue, which has affected the likes of Meta, which is Facebook, TikTok, and a host of others. So it is not only Snap that is facing the issue with Apple and Android. The issue is when you download the app and Apple or Android will ask you, would you like this app to track your movement, what you do. Most people will say no. Even I will say no. You don't want just any app to track what you do. But for advertisement business, those are the key things they need to be able to tell. It's an AI-driven application to know what you are thinking, what you are searching for. For example, you search for cookies on Google today. Tomorrow you start seeing things like cookies, they're advertising cookies to you because they already know what you're looking for. So it's artificial intelligence, and this is how to get the advertisement business to be able to advertise exactly what the consumer is looking for. But with the privacy issue on Apple, they can't track you. But this is something that is still ongoing. There's still talks about how they will resolve the issue with iOS. I don't know if that will be resolved anyway, but then that's the issue with advertisement. It's also in the news that Netflix has poached some of the, Snapchat ad managers. It is normal in the same industry. You're laying off staff. Some people will take that because they're experienced. You're laying off staff not because they're not performing, but because there are lots of issues, and you need to trim down on your expenses to improve on your revenue. So it is part of it. So Netflix has done well for poaching Snap stars. Let's have a look at the chart. Let's see what Snap is trading on the trade on the market today. Let us also have a look at Snap website. For those who don't actually know Snap, you see the website, you see what they do. Let's have a look. Here is a website for Snap. As you can see, Snap includes is a camera company. We believe that reinventing the camera represents our greatest opportunity to improve the way people live and communicate. We contribute to human progress by empowering people to express themselves live in the moment, learn about the world, and have fun together. This is a challenge with business if you don't have multiple source of income. Multiple way of generating revenue. As you can see, Snap is all about hard, and immediately the privacy policy on Apple was initiated. The businesses that has to do with app advertisement like Meta, Facebook, Google, and all the host of other likes of Pinterest and others, they're all running into trouble because the only way they generate income is through the ad. Now look at this. Um, Snapchat Snapchat ads public profile are made for every business, no matter the size of industry. Become part of Snapchat everyday conversation with full screen digital ad that inspire action from the people who matter most to your business. Create an ad. Snapchat ad drive results. Easily and easily create and manage ads. Find the audience that matters to you. Launch ads with just $5 a day. You see, with all this, if there wasn't this Apple policy that was initiated, which is not bad for users. I mean, you can't just be I don't want to use the word stealing uh, user movement on the app. You tracking the users, knowing what they are checking. Fine. That's a way to generate, to know with your AI, to know what the user are looking for, so you can advertise to them. But the moment Apple initiated that policy, which is good for the user to ask whether a user wants you to track, of course, most users will say no. Then the business of the likes of Snapchat and Meta was affected. Now let's have a look at the technical chart for price action. On the technical chart, this is the daily chart. Let's have a look at the weekly chart. As you can see on a weekly chart, yeah. Um, Let me start with the fundamental, then we look at the price action. On the fundamental, the market capitalization is 17.95 billion. The shares in float is 1185.5 million. Shares outstanding is 1649.0 million. The EPS rating is 6. 5-year PE range is 29. That's okay. 5-year PE range is 27 to 3679. Return on equity is 25%. Cash flow is 0.52 cents. These are the past EPS and the present. I mean, mostly it's negative. So it wasn't as if Snap has been making a lot of money in the past before now, but the business is still relatively new, growing. But then let's have a look. Here, the 52 weeks high and 52 week low. It's a $3.34, and 52 weeks low is $9.34. I haven't think it has gone below this, but then it's trading minus 87% of 52 weeks high. Look, guys, some of you that just want to look at a chart and say, oh, if a stock has been this high and is now this low, it might be a good opportunity. No, you could end up be buying a falling knife. Let's have a look at the owner's information. Here you have here you have funds 49%, bank 1%. Um, on the checklist, you have Benjamin Graham 6 out of 13. I'm not surprised. Warren Buffett 4 out of 16. Peter Lynch. These are the three that I normally use. 2 out of 8. These are the three that I normally use. I mean, you can use as much as you want. They're all there. And let's have a look at technicals. On the technical side, it is below 10 weeks moving average and also below 40 weeks moving average. You don't need a soothsayer to tell you that there are a lot of stocks that their chart is looks the same this way. This is during the lockdown. During the lockdown, March 2020. As you can see from there, what you have is boom, the bull market, the bull run. As the bull run, here he has a period of consolidation here, around here, and also all you have the here is the bearish move, and to date, I won't call it a falling knife, but it is not far from a falling knife. But it seems that the support around there is actually holding because it has been here multiple of time. But let's see if it's going to break below $9. But I'm not sure it's going to go there, but it could. As you can see, we've had a bullish move here, and then we have the bearish move here, but it's on a support at the moment. Let's have a look at it on the daily chart. You see, on a daily chart, you actually don't even need a lot to say. As you can see, it is trading below 15-day moving average, 50-day moving average. So it is very clear.
it has been on a downward slide. Guys, be careful on this.
You're seeing the technical chart for Snap. You're seeing the details on the website. Guys, it is an opportunity for you to buy Snap. You see, when stocks are at their 52 weeks low, you need to evaluate. You need to put them on your watch list and see, is it a good price to buy? Sometimes it's not all about price. Do you have confidence that Snap will continue to exist? Do you believe in the business revenue model for Snap? If you do so, this is the chance for you to get Snap at the price below their intrinsic value. That's the key word, below intrinsic value. If you want to get Snapchat for the long haul, this is the time to get it. It's at the 52-week low, which is key, and is on its support. Guys, reevaluate Snap and see, it might just be the good deal you get in this bear market. Thank you for watching this channel. We continue to produce content that will support your investment journey. Please call again.